I'm going to show you exactly how to log into Zoom with your Google account. Open your browser and go to zoom.us. Type it into the address bar and press enter. When the Zoom homepage loads, click the sign in button at the top right. The login page opens with an email address field and a password field. Don't fill those in. Those are for a Zoom password, not your Google password. If you type your Gmail password there, it will just fail. Below those fields is a row of alternative sign-in options. The one you want has the multicolored Google G, and it may say sign in with Google or just show the icon. Click that button. If nothing opens, check the pop-up blocker in the right side of the address bar and allow zoom.us. Google now opens its account picker in a new tab or a small pop-up. If you're already signed into Gmail in this browser, every account you've used shows up in a list. Pick the exact Google account you use for Zoom meetings. If your company runs Zoom through Google Workspace, choose the work account, not a personal Gmail. If the right one isn't there, click Use Another Account and type your full Gmail address. Check that address before you select it. I've seen a lot of people accidentally land in a new empty Zoom account here because they clicked the wrong Google profile. Once you select the account, Google may show a permissions page. It lists what Zoom gets, which is usually your name, email address, and profile picture. It does not get access to your Gmail inbox or contacts. Click Allow. If you've already linked this Google account to Zoom before, the permission page won't appear and you'll go straight through. That's normal. After a moment, Zoom loads your account page. Now that you're in, click your profile circle at the top right. The menu that opens shows the email address Zoom is using. Make sure that's the Gmail you just selected. If it's not, sign out from this same menu and run through the Google flow again. I checked this on a first login because a wrong account is much easier to fix now than after you've scheduled meetings with it. From that same menu, choose Profile. The field I would change next is Time Zone. Zoom uses it for scheduled meeting times and calendar links. If it shows the wrong city or country, change it to your actual location now. I use my specific city rather than the generic country entry because that handles daylight saving time correctly. While you're on the profile page, also check your display name. Google sometimes pulls in your full Gmail display name and you can change it here without changing anything on Google. If the visa got you in, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.